here, but it's kind of convoluted. It doesn't work very well with the negatives. So I'm just going to show you how to try it in the calculator, okay? Now, we have a square root button. You probably know where that is already. Okay, it's right here. Okay, that one's the one we've used before. But to find the roots for other roots, use math. Okay, math, it's right under the green button. Okay, it's right here. And there is one for cube root already. 4 gives you the cube root. We could use that one. Or 5, you can put whatever number you want for n. Okay, it uses an x in the calculator, but you can put whatever number you want in there. Okay, so we could use either of them. I'm going to use 4 because it already has the 3 outside. And then put negative 125. Okay, but before I push enter, who knows what times itself 3 times equals negative 125?
5.
All right, 5, but not positive 5. Negative 5, right? Yes. 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. Negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5 is negative 125. Okay, so that's our answer here. Math. To get this, math 4 gives me the cube root, and math 5 gives you any root. Okay, so if you need a bigger number, like if this number's bigger than 3.
That's all?
Right. That's now. Sometimes you can't use the calculator. I'm going to show you how to do it by hand. Okay, of course, I know, but we're starting off with the easy one so that you know how to do it. Okay, but yes, they sometimes will be pretty easy. Okay, next one, number 2. This one. Let's see, n is 4, and a is negative 400. Okay, so we'll write it in radical form. 4 negative 400. And this one also you can check using the calculator. But first, let's decide how many roots are there going to be. Is it in even or odd? Even, right? 4 is even. And is it positive, negative, or 0? Right, negative. A is negative. Okay, so if it's even negative, how many roots are there going to be? None, right? You cannot do nothing times itself 4 times is going to give you a negative answer. Only if it was negative, it will give you a positive answer. If it was positive, it will give you a positive answer. Okay, so this one's going to have no real nth roots. You're not going to see that a whole lot. Maybe like once on a quiz and once on a test just to make you remember. But again, to do this, I would do 4 math 5. Okay, that puts the 4 right there. Then negative 400. Why don't y'all try that? Do 4 math 5. Okay. 5 gives you the root where it plugs it in for you. 4 math 5, and what do you get?
Oh, okay, never mind. I thought you wanted to put 5.
Oh no, I meant choose 5 from the list.
Yeah, error.
Yeah, error, non-real answer, right? Because there's no real nth roots, okay? Because it's not going to work. Just so you know. Okay, so that one doesn't give you anything. All right. No solution or no roots. Either one. As long as you say no, like you know that there's not any. I don't care which one you put. I'll trust you. Let's see. Okay. Number 3. Okay. N is 6. And A is 64. Okay, I want you to do what I did on number 1 and 2 and find your solution or solutions or no solution if there's not one. Remember, first decide even or odd, positive, negative, or 0. So tell me how many you're looking for. Then you can try it in the calculator. I would do, 6 math 5. Yeah. On your chart to decide. That's why I was asking y'all if y'all had any because I lost one and now I don't have enough. I mean, if everyone's present, I don't have enough. Here, you can use this one. I'm sorry. Give her faster. You're the last one. You're screwed. Okay. All right. Even or odd?
Even.
Even. Positive or negative? So how many?
Two.
Okay.
Okay.
This is Mrs. Carr.
Good.
Hi, good. I don't have any extra ones this class. We were just talking about it because I'm missing one, so I don't have enough for my class. But maybe Miss Dorsey. Oh, we're gone now.
2.
Okay. Sure. Bye. Okay. So if it's even positive, how many solutions are there?
2.
2. Okay. 2 real nth roots. Okay. So you know there's real and if there's 2, what are they going to be? Positive and negative. Good. Okay, so if I put this into the calculator like this, 664, that gives me what?
2.
2. So it's positive and negative 2. Okay, and it is going to matter. Like on a test, 2 will be an answer, negative 2 will be an answer, and positive or negative 2 will be an answer. So if you just chose 2, which is what the calculator tells you, that would be wrong. Okay, you've got to have this. Okay, now also, I should let you do it in the calculator on these first ones, but let's just break it down because some of them you won't be able to do in the calculator. You'll have to break it down like this. So let's break it down. 64 is what times what?
8 times 8.
8 times 8. I don't know. Someone